Your solar panels work clean, quiet, and hard. But someone finds the perfect free apartment right under your modules. The uninvited subtenant moves in. His nest blocks the airflow that cools the panels. And the whole family moves in too. He pays rent in droppings, and output drops by up to 25%. His nesting chunk clogs the gutter, and the rainwater backs up. Right by hot gables, the dry nest becomes a real fire risk. With PV Protector, the gap is sealed, and the subtenant stays out.